This is the tutorial and slow play along for Wild World by Cat Stevens. Just so you know, this is written in the same key that he performs the song in, and I think he plays it a little bit faster than our group played in the video I provide as the play along, as the example. The song is actually written all the way from the top to the bottom. The roadmap is from the intro all the way to the end. You don't have to circle back anywhere. We always love that. We don't have to think about it. Just go. Chords are very simple. A minor, D. If those of you that are struggling with a D and you want to do this song, a D7 works. It doesn't sound quite right, but if you were blended in with a group, nobody would notice that you're playing a D7. But get to that D. Someday you're going to have to play a D, so you might as well work on it, right? To a G, to a C major 7, easy, one finger, 2nd fret, 1st string. And then we have a D minor, E7. And then the chorus has some C's, F's, and there's a G7 in there somewhere. Yes, there is. The count for this song, the chords, I'll get 4 counts, except in a couple places, and we'll talk about those as we go along. But for example, the beginning, verse 1, it's always the strum is always 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on A minor with me, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I actually tap on the 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3 is heavier. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. Let's try it slower. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. And that is the premise for the strum through the whole song. That's what gives it that Cat Stevens feel. And the 1, 2 is usually played before the words in the first lyric of every verse. So that helps there. So let's talk where the counts are different. Verse 1, I'll just use that as an example. So A minor gets 4. Bum, bum. Now that I've lost everything to you, you say you want to start something new, and it's breaking my heart you're leaving. Baby, I'm grieving. That E7 then strums as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 instead of the bump bump ba da da da. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and play. Baby, I'm grieving. Baby, I'm grieving. That helps right there. And then verse 2. If you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you got a lot of nice things to wear. But then a lot of things turn to bad. That E7 gets 1, 2, and the G7 gets 3, 4. So that E7 and G7 together make up the measure of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's the 8 counts. So bad out 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And I'm not quite sure if that's right, but I think that's exactly how we're going to do it to keep the group together, because there can be some struggles at that little area, as we found out last September. The chorus is, ooh, and you do the bump, bump, ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. And there's a riff, da, 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 da. So that's 2 measures there. Hard to get by just upon a smile. 2 measures. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Always remember you like a child girl. The D minor gets 1, 2, E7 gets 2. So every line of the chorus, the last chord, gets 2 measures so that the riff can be played and lead into it that way. So let's see, where is the count different? I think it all repeats. The counts are the same all the way, the rest of the way through. The only time it's different is the last chorus to end the song. I'll always remember you like a child girl. I can't go that girl, but it's just one strum on that C to end the song. Other than that, the counts should be pretty easy to play. Let's talk about the riffs in the chorus. They're a lot of fun. It's at the end of verse 2, and the end of verse 4, there's a riff, and the end of verse 5, there's a riff that starts on the 3rd fret and of the E string, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1st fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 2nd fret of the C string, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to get back, you can't get into back into the C quick enough, you can just do an open C and catch up with the ooh, ooh, baby, baby. So the riff sounds like this up to speed. C, right? So that's that riff. Let's try it together slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ooh. That wasn't slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C. Ooh. There's ooh. The other riff is that happens on the 1st and the 3rd line of every chorus is just a C scale going backwards, starting with this C. So another good reason to know your C scale backwards and forwards. And then there's one more riff that happens on the chorus, and it happens on the word smile, every time on the word smile. And it is starting on your G note, E string, 3rd fret, 2 3s, open A, 3 Cs, open A, and back to G. Up to speed. Slowly. 3 3, open 3 3 3, open 3. So let me play the chorus for you up to speed so you can hear what those riffs sounds like. Ooh, baby, baby. Oh wait, let me start with the verse. Bad out there, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, bad out there. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Here's the riff. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Always remember you like a child. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now back into the verse. So when I practice these, I would practice those very slowly and then trying hard to get back into the G for the rest of the chorus. The other one's not too hard to get back into the riff or back into the chords. So that's the 3 riffs. That'll take a little bit of practice, but they're a lot of fun and they add a lot of dimension. So let's start with the song, singing it slowly. And the vocals are pretty much all the way through all the way through, except for verse 5. On verse 5, we raise our melody line just up a little bit instead of saying, now that I've lost everything to you, which just kind of stays right there. Verse 5 goes, if you want to leave, take good care. Hope you got a lot of nice friends out there. So it changes just a little bit, and so you'll want to note that that's when the vocal melody rises just a little differently. So here we go with the slow play along. So the laws are law, open up your throat, in the video I saw me going la 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 la. I must have been nervous. So it's law to get some vocal quality. So not the best singer, but I know some things that can happen to make you sound better. So let's go slowly. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and bum bum. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now that I've lost everything to you, you say you want to start something new, and it's breaking my heart you're leaving. Baby, I'm grieving. If you want to leave, take good care. Hope you got a lot of nice things to wear. Then a lot of nice things turn to bad out there. 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Hard to get by just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Always remember you like a child girl. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two. 'Cause I never want to see you a sad girl. Don't be a bad girl. If you want to leave, take good care. Hope you had a lot of nice friends out there. But then I ought to remember there's about bad out there. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Always remember you like a child girl. 1, 2, just like the intro. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Baby, I love you. If you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you got a lot of nice friends out there. Just remember there's a lot of bad and beware. 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Hard to get by just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Always remember you like a child girl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Hard to get by just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Always remember you like a child girl. Too low for me, but it sounds good in a group. Hope you have fun.